going on, guys? Welcome back to another exciting video. We will show you where we are in just a second because, as you can tell, we're definitely not at home.
This is not at home.
Our poor we're gonna be right back, okay? I love you. I love you. If you guys can comment down below where we are. Hi. Hello. You want to say hello? Oh my goodness. Stay tuned to see where we will be going today.
Okay, bye.
Alright, and we're back. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another exciting video. I am so excited to bring to you yet another exciting video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Natalia. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and as always, don't forget to
hit that bell button and turn on post notifications and comment when done so you are notified every time we upload a new video. Also like, because we are
all the way in Indiana. We are not in Tampa anymore. We are in the, what's the area code? 317. From the 813 to 317. And it's so pretty out here, guys. Like, there's so much room for activities. This is Bebe's stomping grounds.
This is.
So comment down below if you are from Indiana, if you have been to Indiana, or if you know somebody that lives in Indiana. So we're gonna do, so we're gonna go just explore for the day. Wow, we really, wow, it's like, which way are you gonna go? Left or right? But they both look the same. This is kind of scary, actually. It's raining, guys. If you're in Tampa Bay, I bet you're enjoying that sun because it is so cloudy. Oh, okay, so hot suckers. Punch Boogie Red! I hurt my finger. Oh, this is my mood right here. Everything is so little. Oh, but it's elementary though.
And it's the only school in the state that runs off solar energy.
Oh, that's
completely solar energy.
Oh, I see the windows. That's so cool. This is Ashley's elementary school.
Also, where I got chased out by a chainsaw on Halloween one time.
Why?
Because this kid was evil.
And he chased you?
He chased me with a chainsaw for Halloween on that same route.
Oh. Real chainsaw?
I swear to God it. He still had the chain on it. Not those people that care and take the chain off. He left the chain off.
Why?
They were mean. They were like the mean kids, you know what I mean?
In elementary school?
Yeah.
You guys, there's nothing but land here.
When we passed the store, I guess.
We haven't.
Literally out.
So, yeah. Look how cute this little, like...
Okay, so this is Amo Pizza or Amo General Store. It is the fire-ass pizza in the state. Most fire. And my friend runs it now. I have to go in there and get some pizza.
Alright, you guys, so we finally... Hold on, let me get out of the car.
Oh, we're in Greencastle. Putnam County, baby.
Alright, so we finally made it. Oh my god. People are gonna think I'm so weird for vlogging because I'm pretty sure
It's not.
They don't vlog.
Let's start a vlog. It's Indiana, so yes, nobody vlogs.
We finally made it to civilization. Ashley wants to take us to where are we going? What is the
Gordman's,
store?
my favorite place to shop.
Ashley's favorite place to shop. So let's see what Ashley's favorite. What would you say this is like? Like a Ross, like a TJ Maxx, like a. But better. Okay. This is cute. Alright guys, so we're just gonna go look around. Look how cute this monkey is.
Oh, monkey business. I love this.
I love that. Outfit of the day? What are you doing?
That.
Stop, go down. The only gas station in the whole town.
As you can tell, every pump is full.
I wish I was kidding when she says this. They got Taco Schmiel across the street.
Schmiel too.
I know, it's called Taco Schmiel. Comment down below if you like Taco Schmiel. I'd have to be like really craving taco smell because I ain't trying to have a stomach ache, but yeah. We are far, far away from home, so Ashley took us to this, what was it called? Dairy Castle. I'll roll a little snippet right now. So yeah, I will keep you guys posted. Ashley's taking us to her friend's garden store, and look, Meatball, you're everywhere. I love you. Okay. We're gonna see if we could find my mom some cute little like, garden gnomes. Don't ask me, she wants a garden gnome.
What are you doing out here?
I want a greenhouse so bad. Alright guys, we are back again. Do you guys love my $3 Walmart glasses that Ashley found? Like,
they dope.
These are so cute. So, I don't know why we were not vlogging this entire morning. Like,
bomb ass breakfast.
We did. I'm gonna put a little snippet in really quick. Thanks, baby. Alright, I already took a bite, but this is so fire.
Yeah, that's right. That's what we just had.
Definitely. Now we're at this thing of a place called a Kroger.
A Kroger.
Have you ever heard of a Kroger before?
Yogurt.
Before?
Yo, it's my
If you've heard of a
shopping.
Kroger before,
Yogurt.
please comment down below because, again, don't forget, we're in Indiana now. So, Tampa doesn't have a Kroger.
Yogurt.
Count how many times I say Kroger in this video. Sounds like cougar, but it's Kroger. Bueno, we're gonna take the vlog camera and we're gonna go inside this thing of a place called Kroger.
Yogurt.
Nobody vlogs around here. People have staring problems here.
You're like, but they're so nice. The people are so nice.
They're very nice, but they're like staring, like I couldn't even eat my freaking sandwich without this vieja china legitimately looking. Okay, so are you guys ready to see this place called Kroger? All right, here it is. For vlogging in front of everybody. So comment down below if we should do the watermelon challenge. Yo, so everyone is staring. Look at this guy, everyone. Hey! To the vlog. We reenact how that guy in the scooter was just now. I'm fucking dead. You know, I'm gonna live my best life in this store with my vlog camera because, you know, we're never gonna see these people again, and that's okay. Should I just like...
I probably know half of these people. Lunchables. Yo, so, okay. Lunchables. Yo, so okay.
Alright, I hate when I stop vlogging because something always happens. Always. This lady was dropped a bunch of shit on the floor.
Like water.
Water or something. And I thought she threw up on everything.
She was
I was
like,
meh. And we're done here. Goodbye.
Chico's gonna be frozen to an ice cube after. It's only 50 degrees.